Finding an agent. Some agents may not want to have this conversation with you because if they're telling you this information, they're leaving the door open possibly for you to say, you know what, this is not a good fit. I'm going to go over here and work with Joe agent over there as opposed to you. So I feel like, hey, this is a relationship. If it's not a comfortable or a good fit, you should be able to do that, right? You're about to make the biggest decisions of your life, and you need someone that you feel comfortable with and that you can trust will help you get the best deal and the best home that you're looking for. So, a real estate agent does a lot of things. They're your advocate, they're your guide, they're your negotiator. They're going to make sure you're getting the best deal and the best home for you. Okay, is it in the right location? Does it have the best schools if that's something you're looking for? Is it convenient, or did you want to be away from people? So all those things will come into play. All those things the agent can help you narrow down, drill down on, so that you can find the best home that you're looking for. And at the end of the day, like I said, it's a relationship. You have to feel comfortable. So I encourage you to ask questions, as many questions as you need, and then look for the responses. If they don't know the answer, hey, that's okay. Not everyone knows the answer off the top of their head, but do they get back to you? Do they get the answer that you're looking for in a timely manner, or do they say, and just leave you hanging? So again, if it feels right, great. If we feel right, great. Let's go find you a house. If it doesn't, let's just have that conversation. If we can work it out, great. If we can't, I wish you well. I want you to find what you're looking for, regardless of whether it's with me or it's with someone else. All right.